here. Come get your flag. Sorry, you want a flag?
Yeah, you want Jamaican flag?
See one here. Stick flag.
How much is this?
$3.
$3?
Yeah.
And the material fee, sir?
What do you mean all the material for you, sir? How you for face it? You can buy the flag or not, sir.
Oh, you said Jamaican flag for $3 and the material and knock off.
If you don't have any money, just say that if you're broke.
Oh, you're bright. Ever your Jamaican broke, watch out. Gucci wallet.
With nothing in it.
Knock off material you sell.
Move.
Trinidad flag feel better than it. Me buy Trinidad one.
So they come buy them now?
Yeah, give me that. You take care.
Yeah. Well, give me cash.
Boy, I don't Jamaican a thief. Boy.
More. A thief me flag. Hey you, a thief me flag. Hey me flag there. Don't come on, move. Big on what lift you. Big on what, move. Crosses, you just come and feel up the flag them and not buy nothing. What is a $10 and a $5? What is that for spend? Want a flag there?
Can I get a Haitian flag?
You have money?
Yes.
That is it, my friend. Have a good day. Them customers, them I like.
I can't just a flag?
No trusting. No trusting.
What?
Today you have to buy the flag.
I have no money.
Find a man who can buy your flag.
Oh,
You know the
God.
flag.
Alright. Me get a credit. Me get a
Yeah, me take care.
You take that?
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright, see you. Nice doing business with you.
Thanks, dirty crosses.
Are you on the dirty crosses? Now come back here, dirty girl. Watch her. Crosses. Hello, good afternoon. How are you interested in insurance? And insurance yourself? Well, we're here selling life insurance.
Life insurance?
Yes, life insurance. You know, sister, we're on hurricane watch right now. You know, sister, it's rain outside. Fear boss has the out here. I walk through the hurricane watch. Come like say you are gonna need the life insurance. Move from the step, please, and thank you.
Ma'am, you don't have to get that rude.
Move from the step. You out here sell life insurance for a hurricane watch. Wait, I move. Right. Oh, how rude. You look like Humpty Dumpty. You're not no shame. Now come, don't knock on my door again. Move! Back up. No.
Hello, bad mind. Good morning. No say you never did want to me wake up to keep talking. Yeah. Hello, bad mind. How you doing today? How you doing today? Me no wanna change face round me, I just saw me stay. I tell them me no big friend. No, me no running from people. Me stinking link, me stay real too. Me no love lights, me no fighting for money or vehicle. Don't think bad mind, me no need you. Me no big friend. No, me no running from people. Me stinking link, me